Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kumar, consultant pediatrician, and in this video we are going to look at how to download a Guinness World Record certificate. So we will come to any internet interface and we will type Guinness World Record. As you can see here, Guinness World Record, and it will come with this interface. Then we will click on Home Guinness World Records, and after that there will be opening of this website, and which will look like this only, uh, and it has so many options like apply, shop, news and features, books, about us, and then we will if you go to apply, then it will come like this, but we have to go for shopping, so we will click on shop button only. And after clicking this shop button, uh, it will come like this, and in this we will go on uh, official certificates. First we will go to the certificate section, and this will be uh, then we will click on find your record, and it will say record participant certificate, and it is costing rupees 999. And but it has so many options. We will see it after couple of minutes. Let us see. So once you go on clicking this, there is where did this attempt made, in which country. So we had made it from India, so I have selected India. Then regarding year, select year, I have selected 2026, and select month, it is in February, so I have selected February. So after that, when we will scroll down, it says select your record title. So in clicking that, so many options are coming. So I have selected most views in artificial intelligence, and now I will click. So many options are there, that is certificate only, certificate plus medallion, and certificate plus frame. So I have selected certificate plus medallion. It will give one certificate and a medal from Guinness World Record. So once I have selected this, it comes like this, and it will cost around 1499 rupees. So I will personalize this, and since I have made this step yesterday also, but due to paucity of time, now see, this is the interface of the certificate. It says that type your name here. So I am typing my name, Dr. Umendra Kumar. So Dr. Umendra Kumar. After typing that, I have to select this OK icon and save it. So once you save, the certificate is generated. Now we have to buy it by making the proper payment. And for this, so this certificate, for this, so once you have generated your certificate, then you have to make payment. And for payment, there are so many options. You can click on this yellow button and ask directly for payment. Since I made this step yesterday and I had saved it in cart, so this time, So this is all they are saying, that customer review and all that. So once you scroll down, it will ask for your email ID. So give your email ID, and yes, clicking this icon will show what is this. So you can type it here, how to get my certificate order, and then these two options are there. So once you have generated, you can directly go to purchase here, and once you will type here purchase, so they will show you the mode of payment. So I have made it through UPI, and so it gives option to, if you have not selected or generated the certificate, then the first step will go there, and if you have already generated the certificate, you can go for buy. So I have clicked on that option only to buy the certificate. So once you have selected this, there is a step for making payment, and you can select for payment. I have done it, and uh, I had saved it in the basket, and I have done it, and I have tried to make the payment through this section. You have to enter your email address here, and after that, um, so if you have any trouble, you can go through this icon and ask for how to make payment, and they are helping. I think this is AI generated prompt, and it responds very quickly. So see, this is basket, and it here you can see personalize, and it is. So since I have saved it, I clicked for view in cart, and this is all you have to enter in the in all, like content, your email ID, delivery address, and country name, and all that, and mode of payment. I have selected UPI, and review your order. It will show every details what you have entered, like shipping address, where do you want to get this. Then you can click on pay now button, and once you click for pay now, it asks for the option. So I've clicked on pay now, and it is taking some time to respond. Yes, now it is responding, and it is processing the payment procedure. Now you can see it asks for 1591.77 rupees, and you have to enter your name. Now I have entered my name, then mobile number, and pay rupees 1591.77 rupees. So I will pay through UPI QR code. So I have selected this only, not UPI ID. And then after clicking, it is taking some time to respond. Yes, the scanner ID is there, and I am scanning and trying to make the payment. For this, my prestigious Guinness World Record Certificate and medal. Let us see whether I'm successful in making payment or not, because sometimes due to internet problem, the payment lingers or some problem arises. But let us see. So I have done it. Payment is complete. So yes, finally I have ordered for my Guinness World Record Certificate, and it says thank you, Umendra, and it shows the shipping address and all. So I am taking a screenshot of this and for future reference. So I think this is very simple to order this Guinness World Record. Earlier, I was very excited, and even though they said that they will generate one YouTube video for this procedure, but I think like this only we can download our certificate. So those you have made your as a participant of Guinness World Record in MBBS, you can download your Guinness World Record certificate by following this procedure. There may be some other procedures also, which we will come to know later, or tech person will be able to tell more clearly. But I think this is not very tough, and you can see I'm very excited to see my this certificate. So this is all.